we're just going to do a bit of a cruise. Like, pretty much the ride's coming to an end, and we're just he's going to be somewhere later on, and I don't really have to be anywhere, but I'll do some editing and stuff, and I just thought, you know, go for a bit of a ride. Yeah, but what was I talking about? I was talking about the nod and why we do it, and pretty much it's a respect thing. This is why bikers do the nod, dude, because it's literally a respect thing. It's like, I feel you, man. I go through the exact same shit you do, and you know what, you experience it as well as me, and we just do the nod. It's like, yeah, I feel you, man. We go through the same shit, like respect sort of thing, and you give them a nod. That's pretty much why. Other than that, don't really see why else we do the nod. I think that's all it is, more respect, acknowledgement of another bike. If you like the bike they're on, I don't know, just stuff like that. And if someone doesn't nod at you, like a rider doesn't nod at you, don't stress about it, man. I get people that are just either stubborn, they don't see me, whatever, they don't like the bike, I don't really care, it's just, and you don't get the nod. Some people are just funny. If they're on a 600 and you're on like a 300, they're just like, oh, well, this dude, you know? You get that. But that's just them. Don't take it as a bad thing or that you're doing anything wrong. Who cares? If you nod and they don't nod back, it's a bit like a wave at someone, you know. It's a bit like when people wave at you, man.